back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making an absolute classic, which is chocolate chip cookies. Now, these are very simple. These are all the ingredients. This is everything you need. So, let's get into this. I think to have a little helper. Would you like that? Anyway, we'll need flour, salt, baking powder, brown sugar, regular sugar, vanilla extract, 1 whole egg and an egg yolk, chocolate chips, and some butter. Now, this is only half of the butter you'll need. The rest of the butter is right here in this pot, getting nice and melted. And we're gonna turn this into browned butter, which just means we're essentially going to burn it. As you can see, some of these milk solids have already turned brown, and we're just gonna let it bubble and it will burn. That's what you want. So you're doing it right if it's burning. And just let this bubble. I'll show you how it's gonna look like when it's done. Okay, so this is the brown butter. This is what it should look like. And now we're gonna add this into the other half of the butter. This is hot, it will melt it, so it will cool down the temperature so it's not boiling. Because if we add the eggs now, we'll have scrambled eggs in our cookies, and I don't think it would be that nice. So we'll just let this cool a bit. And the butter that's now going to be melted will help it to cool down faster. So, while I'm waiting for this to cool down a bit, if any of you know where this shirt is from and which TV show it's from, leave a comment down below. Now, we're going to add our 2 sugars. And give it a mix. Oh, the brown butter smells so good. Okay, we can add in our eggs. The extra egg yolk is to give it some more richness. Vanilla. And mix it. Very simple. You don't really need a mixer for this, although if you have a hand mixer, you can easily use it, or a stand mixer if you'd like to. Okay, we're gonna add the dry ingredients. And we'll add the chocolate chips. There it goes. You can add more if you'd like. In my book, there can never be too much chocolate in a chocolate chip cookie. Righty. So, there you have it. That's the chocolate chip cookie dough done. This is gonna go in the fridge for 30 minutes just so it sets up and it's easier to scoop, and then you can bake and eat them. Okay, so this is set, come out of the fridge. You can see the texture has changed and it's a bit easier to roll it into balls, which is what we're gonna do. So you can actually use an ice cream scoop, but I'm gonna use a spoon. Just take a tablespoon of the cookie dough and roll it into a ball. Flatten it a bit and pop it on a tray, and just keep doing this until you're done with your cookie dough. If you don't want to bake all of this at once, you can just get a sheet of cling film and roll it up and pop it in the freezer, and then whenever you want cookies you can just cut a piece off and bake. It's very convenient if you just want one cookie. I'm gonna keep doing this. So this is gonna go in the oven at 190 for 11 minutes. They might need more, they might need less. Be sure to check on that. I'm gonna I'm gonna do the same thing. You can just easily put this right here in the freezer and then take these out, put them in a plastic bag, and then you can take them out, put them in a tray, and in the oven. Okay, so here are the finished cookies. They are cooled, but they're still warm because a cookie is always best when it's still nice and warm. Yeah, very tempted. Let's taste it. That's amazing and soft, and you can really taste the brown butter. It really makes a difference. I hope you make these cookies. Leave a comment down below of what you thought of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you again next week. Bye bye. You can really taste